Let's go.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. If you are new here, do well to subscribe and turn on notifications. And if you're an old member, thanks for watching.
In today's video, I will share with you a Tron mining platform where you learn Tron daily from your mining. I will also show you another way you can earn from this platform. Please do well to watch this video to the end. For registration, enter your username, password, and enter your phone number with your area code. The code is your country code. When you're done, enter your email and create an account. After creating an account, you will find the deposit, withdrawal, share, team and guide on the homepage, and when you scroll down, you will also see the basic and promotional accounts, as well as the cyclical investing. Now, if you come to mine, you'll get 10,000 Tron in your account balance as registration bonus. The amount is automatically paid into your basic account. This bonus will help increase your earning when you make a deposit. If you go to invest, you'll see the basic investment and the cyclical investment. For the cyclical investment, you will be given number of days for the investment, and the profits you earn depends on the number of days you choose for investment. And for the basic investment, you deposit some amount of Tron for the investment, and you'll start earning daily. The minimum amount to recharge is 10 TRX. The profit you earn daily depends on your level of VIP and the amount you deposit. Deposit what you can afford to lose. I want to do the basic investment, so I will select deposit now to make a deposit. I will tap on transfer to basic account because I have a registration bonus there. Now, I will choose the coin which I want to use for the deposit. I will go for TRX. I will now copy the address provided and send the amount I want to recharge. I will paste the address and enter the amount I want to recharge. My recharge is successful, so I will go back to the platform and submit the recharge. I will now go to my wallet and check my account balance. The amount has reflected, and once the deposit is successful, the mining will start automatically. To check, I will select mining. As you can see here, the mining is running, so I will scroll down and select view all. As you can see here, my recharge was automatically used to purchase the miner, so I have to wait for the next 24 hours before I can make the daily withdrawal. This is because the income is distributed every 24 hours, so I have to wait for the next day and make withdrawal. I have waited for 24 hours, so I will now go to mining to receive my profit. I will now tap on receive to get my 10 TRX. I will go back and check my total balance. It has been added to my balance, so I will tap on withdrawal and bind my Tron address. I will enter the amount and choose my withdrawal account. So I will choose the type of address and paste the wallet address. I have selected Tron, so I will paste my Tron address and set my payment password. After entering my payment password, I will tap on continue. Now, I will enter the amount I want to withdraw and choose my withdrawal account. When I am done, I will enter my payment password to continue. My withdrawal is successful, so I will wait for some time and check my wallet. I have received notification about my payment, so I will go and check. The amount has been paid to my wallet with no withdrawal fee. I'm going to show you another way of earning from this platform. If you tap on share, you'll find your invite link to refer your friends, and when they register and recharge their account, you will earn some commission as referral bonus. If you go to team, you'll be able to see the team size and the total investment from your team, and the number of people in level 1, 2, and level 3. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more contents, please subscribe and turn on post notification to get notifications about my new post.